Imagine for a moment, you are called over to emergency ward to see a patient with acute dyspnea. Resident has already examined the patient and ordered chest X-ray to rule out pneumothorax. You know that it will take time. If you have a bedside tool to diagnose pneumothorax within 2 minutes, won't it be a game changer? Yes, that's the power of lung ultrasound. I am going to do a video series to make lung ultrasound very simple. Welcome to Pulmosonogram Pearls. First video of this series is about lung point, which is 100% diagnostic of pneumothorax. Let's come back to the scenario. You are placing the transducer over anterior chest wall and seeing the absence of sliding pleura with A lines. This is called as A prime profile. Means what? For understanding this, first you have to understand A profile of normal lung. In normal lung, you can see the definite pleural line in between two ribs. The single horizontal bright or hyperechoic line is produced by the parietal and visceral pleura. Sliding movement of the lung and its visceral pleura over parietal pleura produce the shimmering or twinkling artifact in the pleural line. This is called sliding pleural sign. Ultrasound beam starting from the transducer will pass through the skin, subcutaneous tissue, intercostal muscle and the pleura, which is sliding. Beyond the pleura, the normal aerated lung will not allow the ultrasound beam. So, instead of seeing lung, you can see only horizontal lines equidistant from the pleura. These are reverberation artifacts and called as A lines. Sliding pleura with A lines is called A profile. In pneumothorax, what will happen? Between two pleura, there is accumulation of air. So the ultrasound beam will pass only up to the parietal pleura. Since the visceral pleura is already separated from the parietal pleura, obviously there will not be any sliding. I think it's clear. Okay? And beyond non-sliding pleura, the air in the pleural cavity will not allow ultrasound. So you can only see the reverberation artifact called A lines. This is known as A prime profile. So whenever you see the absence of sliding pleura with A lines, that is A prime profile, you have to suspect pneumothorax, especially in dyspneic patients. And that must be confirmed with the most specific sign called lung point, because A prime profile can also be seen in pleural adhesions, post-pleurodesis, total lung collapse, etc. So what is lung point? To see it, you have to move the transducer laterally to look at anterior, mid and posterior axillary lines. In one particular point, you will see in the screen one half of the pleura is showing sliding. This meeting point of absent sliding pleura with sliding pleura is called lung point. This is 100% specific to pneumothorax. Why it is produced? In pneumothorax, in one particular point, the collapsed lung will meet the pneumo component at the chest wall. At that point, the collapsed lung during inspiration will slide towards the pneumo part, that is non-sliding part. This is the mechanism of lung point. Whenever you see a prime profile, you have to always confirm it with lung point. But there is an exception. Sometimes in massive pneumothorax with complete collapse of lung, the lung will not touch the chest wall anywhere. So you cannot visualize the lung point. You have to correlate clinically. At the same time, in certain situations, you need not look for lung point. For example, you are going to do a pleural tapping or pleural biopsy, and before that you are doing lung ultrasound and you are seeing A profile, that is normal aerated lung. And after procedure, again you are repeating ultrasound, you are seeing A prime profile, that is absent sliding pleura with A lines. Here, the pneumothorax is confirmed, so you need not look for lung point. Final message is, finding out the lung point is actually not tough if you are doing it methodically. And one more trick to it. When you are searching for lung point in the lateral chest wall, if you are not able to make it, just rotate the probe for 90 degrees and see transversely in the intercostal space. You will definitely make it. If you enjoy watching this video, do like it, give your feedback, follow the channel and subscribe to it. We will meet again.